The question today is, what is estrogen dominance? And the best way to explain that is to just give a real brief overview of the monthly cycle. Every month, once you start puberty, for the first 2 weeks, your ovaries are making estrogen, and it's building breast and uterine tissue for about 2 weeks. And mid-month, about day 15, one of the ovaries releases a live egg, and only when it releases a live egg do you make natural progesterone the latter 2 weeks of the month. So as long as those two rebalance each and every month, life is good. Women don't have PMS, headaches, mood swings, insomnia, sore tender breasts, heavy clotty cycles if those two rebalance. The problem is that built into the mechanics, nothing you or I did wrong, about age 35, we don't release a live egg each and every month anymore. It's called anovulatory cycles. So our progesterone starts to decline. So estrogen dominance doesn't mean you're making too much estrogen. It just means it's no longer balanced by its balancer, the progesterone. So now it's a little dominant over the progesterone. What are some of the symptoms of that? Whenever you're low progesterone, that's nature's Valium. That's your happy hormone. So if you're starting to feel blue for no reason, a little more irritable, depressed, your doctor is suggesting that you go on an antidepressant, we're pretty sure your progesterone is falling. If your cycles are heavier now, they're clottier, see, this is just not there to tell that estrogen to stop building that tissue. So any of the low progesterone symptoms is an indication that estrogen is dominant. So a simple solution is just to get that progesterone back in balance. So for younger women that are still cycling, we like to see them on natural bioidentical progesterone from the HOTI physician's preference compounding pharmacy. Get on that progesterone day 15 through 28, and that'll start to balance that estrogen and make you feel good again. I